We don't love some good old barbecue chicken, baby.
What's up with it, family? In a place, in your face. It's your boy, that boy can cook. Back at you with another delicious recipe. As you can see, we got barbecue sauce, we got chicken thighs, we got bell peppers, we got salt and pepper, we got a little olive oil, we got some smoked paprika, chicken bouillon, and onions to make some delicious barbecue chicken. First of all, let's grab us some salt and pepper mix, and let's just season our chicken up. All right, let's get our chicken bouillon powder on there. Next, we're gonna throw some smoked paprika on there. Just make sure everything is seasoned well and seasoned good so we can have that flavor for this delicious barbecue chicken, baby. Yeah. And now you just wanna give your chicken just a little massage. Just rub it, make it feel good, baby. Just rub it like that. Massage that seasoning in that chicken. Then we're gonna flip it over. We're gonna do the same thing. Hit it with some salt and pepper. Hit it with that chicken bouillon powder. Hit it with some smoked paprika. And we're gonna massage it up again, baby. Get that flavor mixed into that chicken, under that skin and all that. So just get it all massaged. We all love a good massage, even the chicken, baby. Yeah, look how well that chicken is seasoned. Look at that. All right, next we're gonna throw some oil in our pan. Just make sure it's all the way covered. Let's let that heat. Let's drop our chicken skin side down. We're just gonna sear it for about a minute or two and let you see what we're looking like. Yeah, that's what it is right there. Look at that. It's beautiful, baby. All right, we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's what we're looking like. Let's get it out of our pan. Preheat our oven to 400 degrees, baby. 400. 400. There it is right there. All right, we got our last two searing off. Look at it. Ooh, look at that. That looks delicious. Yeah, it ain't ready yet though. All right, so let's get our baking dish, skin side down, and we're just gonna lay our chicken up in there. Now, before we throw it in the oven, let's go and get our onions in here. And all you gotta do is just lay them on top. Same thing with the bell peppers. We're just gonna lay them on top as well. So just get them all spread it out evenly on it. Let's throw a lid on that boy. And we're gonna pop it in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes. Bam. While we're waiting on that, let's get our barbecue sauce. I'm using the original as you can see. Let's get it in our pot. And we're gonna season it up. We're gonna put our flavor to it. All right. So I'm adding some lawry seasoning salt right here. Adding some lemon pepper seasoning right here. I got a little Worcestershire sauce in here. And I'm adding some coarse black pepper in there. Oh, we're gonna stir that. Let's stir it, make sure everything is mixed in. I almost forgot. Throw that brown sugar in there. We gotta have that in there. Mix that up as well. And all we're gonna do is just let this simmer at a medium-low heat for about 15 minutes. All right, chicken is out the oven. Check that out. Yeah, check that out. All right, let me show you. Only thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna flip it. Let's get them all flipped. We're gonna get them all put back in the oven. Again, same temperature at 400 degrees. Bam. There we is right there. There we is right there. That's some delicious looking chicken, baby. Tastes even better. All right, now we're just gonna baste it real quick. Going in fast mode. Gonna baste our chicken with that delicious barbecue sauce we whipped up. Yeah, so we got it back in our baking dish, and we're just gonna baste the top just like we did the bottom part. So let's just make sure it's basted, make sure it's well coated with that delicious barbecue sauce. And then once you finish basting it, you're gonna take the remaining of your barbecue sauce. Look at, I'm still trying to get the edges though, but that's how you do it. All right, and we're gonna take our remaining barbecue sauce and we're just gonna pour it over that delicious chicken. And now we're just gonna set our oven on broil. We're gonna throw it under broil for maybe 5 minutes. Don't leave, stand right there. Bam, barbecue chicken, baby. Yeah.
All right, my family, that is it. That is all. We got delicious barbecue chicken, y'all. It's tasty. Go use a fork. Let's get our hands dirty. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's good. All right, family. If you found any value in this video, if you like the recipe, if it's your first time coming, hit the like button. The second time coming, you found value in this recipe, you like this recipe, hit the subscribe button. Excuse me, hit the subscribe button. Full recipe is down in the description. Check out the link to my website, thatboycancook.com, in the description, and also my affiliate links in the description. That Boy Can Cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time, baby. Gone.